Hello friends, in this video I shall show you how to execute a Python script from the command line. Now we are looking at two different environments, one is the Linux and the Windows environment. In either case, if you have a Python script built using any text editor like Notepad or anything like that, and you have compiled the script, you can execute it from the command line by just saying Python, the name of the executable, and the name of the script. So Python test.py will do our job, both in case of the Linux as well as the Windows command prompt. Just write Python test.py, press enter. How does that work? That I will show you by demonstrating an example in front of you. You can also execute the Python script. If you have saved a Python script, you can execute that Python script from the command prompt itself. So I will quit this, come back to the DOS prompt and go to the folder in which the Python script has been stored. So it has been stored in this folder. The name of the script is test.py. So the name of the Python interpreter followed by the script to be executed. If I give that and press enter, I'll get the output of the script. So these are the two ways in which the Python interpreter can be invoked from the DOS prompt itself in the interactive mode as well as in the scripting mode.